As I joined this workshop, I gained practical and hands-on experience with the famous microcontrollers, and I learned in depth about them. The TAs are very supportive. I could ask a single question multiple times to them, and they will still reply to that with very calmness.
This past week I have been able to learn in depth about 8051 architecture and the professors have been really great teachers.
So firstly, I didn't know about how to debug the code, how to simulate correct and all. Then after the course, I am able to simulate and debug the code.
The environment in the labs are very perfect for capable learning.
So I got to learn many skills in this. I also got the experience to make manuals and teach students. I got the experience in teaching field. Also in the education, I got to know what our professors were facing, like while designing the assignments. Why are these assignments? We also had questions. So now we are understanding.
We also get to learn a lot from the workshop. Also, our teaching skills and communication skills get a lot better. And thanks to for giving us this opportunity.